Hello ladies, you're welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful hairstyles, ideas and inspiration that are trendy in 2024. Please, if you're new to the channel, you're welcome to the family, and to my returning subscribers I want to say thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Please, if you're new to the channel, do it to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a hairstyle trendy video or fashion style trendy video that are trendy in this year 2024. So into this video I'm going to be showing you beautiful, amazing ponytail hairstyles that I have carefully selected for you. These ponytail hairstyles are so beautiful, they're so lovely, these hairstyles are so unique. So if you're a fan of ponytail hairstyle, this video is definitely for you. Please do wait to watch the video to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.